Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Researcher Media. Today I am going to brief about 1000 MCQ ebook which we have prepared on the syllabus of Food Safety Officer Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is going to recruit 119 food safety officer and these 1000 MCQ will cover the syllabus of FSO Tamil Nadu. In this class I am going to take you all through 45 MCQs where you will come to know about the quality and the level of MCQs. Question number first. The chairperson of Central Advisory Committee. Option A, FSSI chairperson. Option B, commissioner. Option C, chief executive officer. Option D, designated officer. So the right answer will be the C, chief executive officer is the chairperson of Central Advisory Committee. Question number 8. Select the incorrect statement about the food for special dietary uses or functional food or nutraceutical or health supplement. These foods may contain option A, substance from animal origin, option B, plants or botanical or their parts in the form of powder, concentrate or extract. Option C is minerals or vitamins or proteins or metals or their compounds, amino acids or enzyme. Option D is the parentals. So the right answer will be the D, parentals. Next question is authority responsible for enforcement of act does not include option A, food safety officer, option B, commissioner of the food safety, option C, designated officer, option D is the food analyst. So the right answer will be the D, food analyst. Question number 22. Designated officer appointed by the Commissioner of Food Safety by order to be in charge of food safety administration in such area as may be specified by regulation shall note the below rank of option A, secretary, option B, divisional magistrate, option C, additional divisional officer, option D is sub-divisional officer. So the right answer will be the D, sub-divisional officer. These 1000 MCQs ebook will cover Indian and international food laws, FSSI roles, function and initiatives, food safety ecosystem in India, principle and basic of food chemistry and their role in human nutrition, microbiology and general principle of food hygiene, food science and nutrition, and food quality, and the concepts of food analysis and testing, food processing and preservation, principles of food preservation, processing and packaging. Next question is, punishment for carrying out a business without license shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or also with a fine which may extend to option A 3 lakh rupees, option B 5 lakh rupees, option C 1 lakh rupees, option D 10 lakh rupees. So the right answer will be the B 5 lakh rupees. Next question. Food authority consisted of chairperson and 22 members have representation of different organization. There are different statements. First is representative from food industry, representative from consumer organization, eminent food technologist, person for representing farmer organizations, represent for retailer organization. There are 4 options. First option is 2 from food industry, 2 representative consumer organization, 3 eminent food technologists, 3 person from farmer organization, and the 1 is retailer organization. So in this case the right answer will be the C, means 2 representative from food industry, 2 representative from consumer organization, 3 representative as a eminent food technologist, 2 person representing the farmer organization, 1 person is representing the retailer organization. Question number 70. In heat treatment of food products, the lowest temperature at which a microbial suspension is killed in 10 minutes known as option A thermal death point, option B decimal reduction time, option C thermal death time, option D is Z value. So the right answer will be the A, thermal death point. Next question. enzymes which is predominantly involved in browning of foods. Option A, papain. Option B, bromelain. Option C, polyphenol oxidase. Option D, pectinase. So the right answer will be C, polyphenol oxidase. This 1000 MCQ ebook is available in two formats: Google Classroom online, where you will get answer with description about the right answer, and second is Google Classroom PDF format online with answer key in case is a printable. And next question, how long it will be available for the registered candidate? It will be available with the registered student up to final exam of FSO, and it will be accessible through email of registered candidate, and this MCQ ebook cover the syllabus of Food Safety Officer Tamil Nadu. Next question is, any material which is or could be employed for making the food unsafe or substandard or misbranded or containing extraneous matter. So the option A, food additive. Option B, contaminant. Option C, adulterants. Option D is extraneous matter. So the right answer will be the adulterant. Next question is, sections of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 is about licensing and registration of food business. Option A, section 33. Option B, section 30. Option C, section 31. Option D, section 36. So the right answer will be the C, section 31 is about the licensing and the registration of food business. Next question is, application for license to the licensing authority shall be made in form. Option A, form C. Option B, form D. Option C, form B. And option D is form A. So the right answer will be A, form C. Next question, what are the milk fat or minimum percentage of milk solid not fat of double tone milk? Option A, 3.5 and 8.5. Option B, 3 and 8.5. Option C, 4.5 and 8.5. Option D is 1.5 and 9. So the right answer will be D, 1.5 and 9. Next question is, an index of mean molecular weight of the fatty acids of glyceride comprising a fat is. Option A, iodine. Option B, acid value. Option C, sponification value. Option D, unsponifiable matter. So the right answer will be the C, sponification value. The next question, JEMRA stands for. Option A, Joint FAO and WHO expert meeting on microbial risk analysis. Option B is Joint FAO WHO expert meetings on microbiological risk assessment. Option C, Joint FAO WHO expert meetings on microbiological risk analysis. Option D, Joint FAO WHO expert meeting on microbial risk assessment. So the right answer will be the B, Joint FAO WHO expert meeting on microbiological risk assessment. Next question is, the major fatty acids found in coconut is. Option A, citric acid. Option B, acetic acid. Option C, oleic acid. Option D, lauric acid. So the right answer will be the D, lauric acid. The next question is, water retention agents in canned meat is. Option A, P2O2. Option B, ascorbic acid. Option C, HNO3. Option D, NaCl. So the right answer will be the A. Next question is, Indian standard for packaged natural mineral water is. Option A, IS 13528. Option B, 13428. Option C, IS 14443. Option D, IS 14543. So the right answer will be B, IS 13428 is the Indian standard for packaged natural mineral water. Next question is, in the following which is the natural color? Option A, Poncio 4R. Option B, erythrocyan. Option C, sunset yellow FCF. Option D, anatto. So the right answer will be D. Anatto is the natural color. Next question, Nissin is option A, class first preservative. Option B, class second preservative. Option C, antioxidant. Option D, none of the above. So the right answer will be the B, class second preservative. Next question is 241. In the following, which group is the process hygiene criteria for microbiological requirement for milk and milk products? Option A, aerobic plate count, coliform count, Staphylococcus aureus. Option B, yeast and mold count and E. coli. Option C is Salmonella, Listeria monocytogenes and Bacillus cereus. And D is both A and B. So the right answer will be the both A and B. The next question is unsatisfactory status in second class sampling plan means. Option A, if all the value observed are less than m. Option B, if one or more of the values observed are greater than m. Option C, more than C values are greater than m. Option D, both B and C. Right answer will be the D. Both B and C condition will be unsatisfactory status in second class sampling plan. Next question is purple color in Eat Right India logo represents. Option A, meat, fish and poultry. Option B, cereals and pulses. Option C, milk and milk products. Option D, food and drink high in fat or sugar. So the right answer will be the D, food and drink high in fat or sugar. Next question is, in the following which group is the food safety criteria for microbiological requirement for meat and meat products? Option A, aerobic colony count and yeast and mold count. Option B, Salmonella, Listeria, sulfite reducing Clostridia. Option C is Clostridium botulinum, Campylobacter species. Option D is both B and C. In this case, the D will be the right answer. Both B and C is food safety criteria for microbiological requirement for meat and meat products. Next question is BHOG, Bhog stands for. Option A, blessingful hygienic offering to God. Option B, blissful hygienic offering to God. Option C, best hygienic offering to God. Option D, best hygienic offering to God. So the right answer will be B, blissful hygienic offering to God. The next question, the presence of mineral oil is detected using option A, Krei's test, option B, Halfen's test, option C, Holdis test, option D, hexabromide test. So the right answer will be the C, Holdis test is used to determine the presence of minerals oil. Next question, date marking on package of aspartame shall be given is except option A, best before date, option B, use by date, option C, recommended last consumption date, option D is expiry date. So the right answer will be the A, best before date. Question number 349. An average active adult requires kilocalorie energy per day. Calories need may vary. Option A, 3000 kilocalorie. Option B, 2400 kilocalorie. Option C, 2000 kilocalorie. Option D, 2500 kilocalorie. So the right answer will be the C, 2000 kilocalorie. What is the minimum recommended amount of linoleic acid in very low energy diet of food for special medical purpose? Option A, 2 gram, option B, 3 gram, option C, 5 gram, option D, 2.5 gram. So the right answer will be B, 3 gram. Next question is, what is the recommended intake of sugar per day under FSSAI initiated a nationwide social media campaign आज से थोड़ा कम of Eat Right India movement? Option A, less than 65 gram per day, less than or equal 2 gram per day. Option C is less than 25 gram per day. Option D is less than or equal 5 gram per day. So the right answer will be the C. Less than or equal 25 gram per day is the recommended sugar intake. Next question, what is the limit for total polar compound percent beyond which vegetable oil shall not be used? Option A 20%, option B 25%, option C 30%, option D 35%. So the right answer will be the B 25%. Next question, when milk is fortified with vitamin A shall be at the level of per liter of milk. Option A 250 to 450 μg/RE retinol equivalents. Option B 270 to 430 μg retinol equivalents. Option C 250 to 430 μg retinol equivalents. Option D 270 to 450 μg retinol equivalents. So the right answer will be the D 270 to 450 μg retinol equivalents. Next question, a low fat solid food contain fat not more than per 100 grams solid. Option A 3 gram, option B 1.5 gram, option C 0.3 gram, option D 1 gram. So the right answer will be the A 3 gram. In this 1000 MCQ test series or the online preface will be like this: first question, then option. In comment box you will get the right answer with the background information. Next question 548, pasteurized liquid milk is packaged in LDPE plastic. What is the RIC code for LDPE? Option A 4, option B 1, option C 7, option D 2. So the right answer will be the A. Next question is 611, functional classes for food additive shall be declared together with specific name or recognized. Option A global identification number, option B international numbering system, option C global trade identification number, option D is global numbering system. So the right answer will be B international numbering system, INS. The next question is 702, sucrose is absent in milk and its presence in milk indicate adulteration. Its presence in milk can be determined. Option A modified Selivanov method, option B Lane-Enon method, option C modified Gerber method, option D both A and B. So the right answer will be the D, both A and B. Next question 729, at the present time a total of 18 aflatoxin are known. Which one is the most common and the most potent carcinogen? Option A aflatoxin B2, option B aflatoxin B1, option C aflatoxin G1, option D aflatoxin G2. So the right answer will be the B aflatoxin B1. Next question 740, pasteurization of milk is process of. Option A sterilization, option B disinfection, option C antisepsis, option D none of the above. So the right answer will be the B, pasteurization of milk is a process of disinfection. Next question 754, test for presence of formalin in milk is. Option A Heerner test, option B chromatographic acid test, option C vanadium pentoxide test, option D both A and B. So the right answer will be the D, both A and B is the test to determine the presence of formalin in the milk. Question number 821, heavy cream which is also known as a heavy whipping cream, must contain at least percentage of milk fat? Option A 30 to 35%, option B 36%, option C 25%, option D 50%. So the right answer will be the B 36%. Next question is 844. Total protein nitrogen of milk and the milk product is calculated through multiplying the percent nitrogen by option A 6.25, option B 6.38, option C 6.35, option D 6.85. So the right answer will be the B 6.38 is the factor by which multiplying the percent nitrogen we can calculate the total protein nitrogen of milk. In microwave, required energy for industrial food processing is option A 950 to 2450 megahertz, option B 2450 megahertz, option C 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz, option D none of the above. So the right answer will be the A 950 to 2450 megahertz. Next question is 968. The substrate for enzyme beta galactosidase is option A sucrose, option B maltose, option C lactose, option D mallebiose. So the right answer will be the C. Lactose is the substrate for beta galactosidase. The question number 1000. All the activities of overall management function that determine the quality policy, objective and responsibilities and implement them by means such as quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, quality improvement within the quality system. Option A quality control, option B quality management, option C traceability, option D quality audit. So the right answer will be the B quality management. The last question is 1011. Laminar flow biological safety cabinet which employs high efficiency particulate air filter, that is the type of duct filter, to remove the 99.97% of particles. Option A 0.5 micron, option B 0.1 micron, option C 0.3 micron, option D is 1 micron. So the right answer will be the 0.3 micron. These 1000 MCQs will help in your preparation for the coming Food Safety Officer exam, Tamil Nadu. For more inquiries about that 1000 MCQ ebook, you can join us on our Telegram channel. That link will be given in the description and the comment box, where you can take the feedback from the student who have already joined and they have experienced, they have checked and they have gone through all the 1000 MCQs. Thanks for watching.